that I got to wake up today. You take my worries and hurries and fade them to gray. You got these plans for me, that's what you say. That's how I know everything is gonna be okay.
We are not awakened for nothing. We are awakened for integrity and purity.
Character yung magiging sagot, kaya advantage sa mga mahilig magbasa ng Bible.
Masyado kang nag-aalala sa maraming mga bagay. Hindi yan review of anger, hindi galit, but rather it is a proof of love.
Holy Spirit, we ask for your presence.
Your situation in your life, ang Diyos ang unang gumawa ng ruta para ma-encounter mo siya. And I know, nung time na yon, alam ni Jesus ang lahat ng pinagdadaanan ng widow na ito. In your circumstances today, alam ng Diyos yung bigat, alam ng Diyos yung hirap, alam ng Diyos yung pains, hurts na meron ka ngayong oras na